Copreci's GF10 induction cooktop is constantly growing, an evolving platform that allows the integration of new solutions and innovations. Its dimensions range from 90, 80, and 60 centimeters, allowing configurations of 4, 5, and even 6 cooking zones, in addition to the new version in domino format, 30 centimeters. GF10 integrates 5 different types of interface: an extended, easy, and convenient touch control, which manages up to 5 cooking zones. The Duoslide control for domino format cooktops. The new Sixknob, which can manage up to 6 burners with knobs. A hidden control, which allows the integration of more innovative designs. A TFT display with an attractive graphic design. GF10 offers different solutions for flow-in systems, starting from the domino configuration and the InSense interface, allowing the integration of most existing blowers. The GF10 platform is UL compliant, allowing to build different alternatives for the American market. All this with a very reduced height to facilitate assembly and optimize space. The GF10 generation is ready to connect to external devices, the cloud, or applications with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connections. GF10 also offers the automatic pot detection function, as well as different intelligent safety and cooking functions, a versatile platform for hob manufacturers to offer innovative solutions to the end user. GF10. Cooking has never been so easy and smart.